main tool that we use in this process is the fuller, and for this particular size, 1¼ inch square stock, the appropriate size fuller is 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch. Please notice that all of the edges are relieved hard, no sharp edges anywhere. We use this tool to define the eyebrows and the line that separates the mask from the forehead and the cheek. We use it to define the back of the cheek and make the sideburns, and we also use it to create the beard. For the purpose of this video, I've drawn a tenon off the back side of this bar for ease of holding and displaying the head throughout the video. We begin this head by forging a taper on the top side down to about a height in the front of 3/4 to 7/8 of an inch. This creates the forehead and starts to create the snout. Now we've also tapered down the sides of the face, tapered it down to a point where the cross section on the end of the nose is 5/8 wide by 3/4 to 7/8 high. The length of this taper overall is 1¼ inch, which is the same as the parent stock. If you're doing 1.5 inch, we'd want this taper 1.5 inch long. If we were forging a 1-inch bear head, this taper would be 1 inch long on the straight. All right, now we're going to place the 1/4 by 3/4 inch fuller in such a way that the center line of the fuller is in line with the bridge of the snout. We're going to drive that into a depth of approximately 3/16 of an inch. We're going to continue that line back about 1¼ inch. This creates the eye sockets and isolates the forehead from the cheeks. All right, now that we've identified all the individual teeth, we have pried the tongue down from the roof of the mouth enough that we can see the crease on the tongue. We've raised the lower jaw up so that the tongue is cradled between the 2 points of the fangs. We do not want the tongue touching the bottom of the mouth. We push that mouth up using our 1/4 by 3/4 fuller just outside of the beard. Light taps to close the mouth up to the appropriate distance. In that same heat, we've also gone in and we've textured the eyebrows, and using the 1/4 by 3/4 fuller, then we've pushed the brow down over the eye to give him some expression.